Hi, it's Chris from Florida Drone Supply, and we are back again with another important update for your Teledyne FLIR SIRAS drone. We have had many of our customers asking us when the SIRAS will be ready for remote ID, and with the release of firmware version 1.16.65, it is here and ready to go. This new update maximizes performance and improves the overall safety of the SIRAS. Once you have the update installed, you will have to input some information to get the remote ID enabled. Navigate to the settings menu, click the safety button, and below the compass setting, you will see the remote ID menu. Press the configuration button, and it will pop up an input box, and this is where you will type in the serial number of the drone. If you do not have your serial number, it is located on the bottom of the drone, and you will only enter the numeric digits after the 01L code on your serial number. Simply type in those numbers and hit save. It's as easy as that, and you are now remote ID compliant with your Teledyne FLIR SIRAS. Now, we all know that the remote ID law is not popular, and it has been met with a lot of resistance from drone pilots, especially when it comes to the privacy of their aircraft's location and all of the other telemetry data that goes along with it. We spoke with the engineers at Teledyne, and they informed us that the SIRAS uses a BT5 or Bluetooth 5 transmission system instead of the BT4 or Bluetooth 4 that the majority of the remote ID modules are broadcasting. So what does this mean for you? Bluetooth 5 cannot be picked up by 95% of the smartphones running any of the remote ID tracker apps. Essentially, the SIRAS will be invisible to most people trying to find, locate, or track it. For law enforcement, this is a big advantage. Criminals are smart, and it would not take much for them to open up an app and see that there is a drone near their location. With the SIRAS, they will have an extremely hard time knowing that there is a drone right above them. So, if you are considering a drone for your law enforcement agency, the SIRAS just moved up in the rankings for having a BT5 connection and is much more stealthy than its competitors that use BT4. With the .65 update, Teledyne made it to where you had to give a confirmation to take off in attitude mode or switch to attitude mode in mid-flight. With the position of the selector switch on the modes, it could be possible to accidentally put the drone into attitude mode, but with this update, you will have to give it a physical confirmation on the remote before the drone will go into this mode. Also on this update, you will no longer be able to take off on one operational battery. Prior to the update, the SIRAS would actually let you take off with one operational battery. This could also lead to a crash or other electrical issues inside of the drone. If you need help installing this update, click on the video link in the description below for our instructions on how to do a firmware update on the SIRAS. If you have any other questions, we are always here to help, and you can reach us by phone at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.